Hi everyone, my name is Chidebere Chukwudi. I want to show you how I create CVs using LinkedIn. One of the ways you can create your CV, there are many ways to create CVs actually. So one of the ways I do mine is that I use LinkedIn to do it. First of all, I am on the LinkedIn homepage, a normal LinkedIn landing page or homepage. Then you have to go to your profile. So I assume that you already have a LinkedIn account. If you don't have, you can just easily create one. Then when you have done that, you should take note of the following sections. In your LinkedIn profile, you need to add your about section, add some content here, then your experiences section. I want to assume that you already have experience listed on your experience section, but in case you don't have, you can easily create one by just clicking on this plus icon here. Then you can add a position and whatever you want to add. Then you can choose date and other things that you want to add and skills and other stuff. So I'm not going to that into details now. So I just want to show you how I create my CVs using LinkedIn. First of all, there are two ways to do that. On the LinkedIn desktop app, on the LinkedIn, you can click on more. On click on more, you can see you have options like save to PDF, create a resume. These are two ways to do this. First of all, I want to show you how the two of them work. When you click on save to PDF, it's basically downloading your profile. So I'll just try that and let's see the output. Click on save to PDF. You can see it's downloaded and I'll just open it. So what it did, it gave me a PDF version of my profile and is about three pages, as you can see. This is not the ideal way to create your CVs using LinkedIn. So I just want to show you this option just in case you come across it, and I don't recommend this, but this is okay if you want to just download your LinkedIn profile. So I'll just go straight to how I create CVs using LinkedIn. So to do that, you click on the same more section, click on more section, then there's a build resume. This is where you have to click build resume. Then you can next you click on create from profile. You select your job title. Mine, for me, I'm a software developer, so I'll just use software developer. Then I'll apply. So now it has taken us to the interface where we can build our CV using LinkedIn. If you notice some things, you know that what we had in our about me section appeared here as the summary. Then the experiences I have in my LinkedIn profile also appeared here. That's how this works. But now let's go straight. So you don't want your CV to be up to at least long, at least up to 3 pages, depending, but you should try as much as possible. You should shorten that. So I'm going to just shorten this, the summary section, so that when I download my CV to not be to not be too much, like the pages will not be that much. Okay, so I'll just click this, and this is for this is for example. Okay, I think it's fine now. Then that's good. So there are some key points here you can actually borrow from, and you can apply that in your summary. Click on save. Also notice that the experience section from my profile is here, so I can choose to delete them if I want. Peradventure, I don't want a particular experience in the CV I'll be submitting, I can just actually delete. I click on the pen icon here, then you can delete it or you can save it. Or if there's something I want to edit about it, I can just quickly do that here. Also, if I want to add more experience, an experience that is not on my LinkedIn profile, and I want to add it to it's not on my LinkedIn profile, but I want to add it on my the CV I'll be creating, I can click on the plus icon, then I can type the title of, click on the company, say Microsoft. I don't work at Microsoft, but for example, then just select any year, and more like worked on across multiple. Then so yeah, pretty much. So that's how it will. Then when you save it, you can actually get can actually see it on your CV. So this is it. So this is it. You can see that this was added, but on my LinkedIn profile is not there. Let me just show you the difference. So my actual LinkedIn profile, this is what I have, but on the CV I'll be creating is not there. So this is just for CV sake. That is all. So you can look at other sections. There is the education section. You can decide to leave it, or you can decide to edit it as you want, or you can also decide to delete them. Then you can see the license and certifications, also skills section, and that's pretty much of how I do this with. So the next thing we can do is you can actually edit the name, the email, or you can actually add your portfolio. In situations when you don't add your portfolio link to your website or your blog, the CV automatically highlights your LinkedIn profile as a portfolio link or a URL actually. So the next thing you want to do is preview. You can actually preview from this side. You can download as PDF, make a copy, or delete, but I just want to preview. Then the preview gives you an idea of how all your CV will look like before you download them. So here is that, and yeah, so pretty much that. So next you want to download your video. But before we download, what are the benefits of using LinkedIn to create your profile? Using LinkedIn to create your CVs. For me personally, it's easier for me, to always come up and edit one or two things, and also it's ATS compliant. ATS is a system or software that is used to analyze CVs. So in situation where you have where you submit job applications, sometimes they don't go through the HR itself. A system or a software will have to scan those CVs. So LinkedIn CV is created with this LinkedIn job is ATS compliant. I've tested it, and yeah, so download. Here is done, and I open. This is how it will look like. It's much it will look like. So far, thank you so much for watching. I believe that this will help you in one way or the other, and let me know your thoughts and what you think. And also, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Yeah, thank you so much. All right, next time.